was born in Slovenia. My parents met in America, and now I'm living in UK. I always wanted to go to England to study and work here. I think it just presented the land of opportunities for me. I'm not really a morning person, but I like to wake up early. It allows me to make myself a coffee and just slowly get a kickstart to the day. Read some newspaper, read the news before everybody else wakes up, just before all the emails start flooding in. I always liked art. I was always a part of it. I think it's sort of already in my family. And what happened was, as a kid, I liked to draw. At some point, we were in Croatia with my ex. I was approached by this musician if I want to take photos on their set. I never thought about taking profession before. I didn't think I was good enough, and suddenly somebody believed in me and said, you are good enough. And then when social media came, I realized, okay, I can take photos of my art, but again, it's a photo. I can show people my art, but it's not really a place or anything. It is my imagination, but I can still pursue that. But what I really want to portray to people is show them a part of myself, show a part of my life. And all that it started with was just actually capturing moments. I would take my camera everywhere. I would take it on field trips with friends, on days out. We would take photos of absolutely ridiculous things.